Here we are, we've got a Focus MK3 facelift, and we're going to be fitting some smoked LED rear lights to it. I just thought I'd make a quick video just to show how easy these are to replace. So here's the rear lights that we've got, and let's show you how these are fitted. It's really simple. So first of all, we need to remove the two studs from inside of the boot. So remove this blanking cap, and inside you'll see a plastic lug. Just unscrew that, just like that. And you'll also find another one just up here. So we know there's two on each light. If these are tight, they've got a little groove in, so you can use a flat screwdriver just to crack it off if it's tight. So to pull the rear light off, just gently tease it from one end and it'll pull out just like that, really easy. To remove the plug, just press this little tab and pull the loom off. So now we're going to fit the new rear light. So it's just a case of reversing the process we've already done. Everything's pre-wired, so these just plug together nice and easy. Just make sure they click tight. Take the cable just out of the way so it doesn't get trapped, and just locate your lugs into the body of the car. Once that's in, we hold the light, and then we can just refit these. Done them as tight as you can by hand should be sufficient. Replace the little cap, and then let's have a look how they work.